Dropship.io versus AutoDS, which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's dive straight into the comparison. Dropship.io is a comprehensive dropshipping tool designed for entrepreneurs who want to optimize their e-commerce operations. It provides a range of features such as product research, competitor analysis, and advanced data analytics. Dropship.io is particularly known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to identify profitable products and monitor competitor strategies. This platform integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing users to manage their stores effectively. Dropship.io is ideal for those who are serious about scaling their dropshipping business, as it offers deep insights into market trends and product performance. However, the extensive features can come at a higher cost, and the platform might require some time to fully master. AutoDS, on the other hand, is an all-in-one dropshipping automation tool that focuses on streamlining the entire dropshipping process. It offers features like automated product imports, price and stock monitoring, order fulfillment, and even customer service management. AutoDS is designed to save time and reduce manual tasks, making it a great choice for those who want to automate their dropshipping business as much as possible. The platform integrates with multiple suppliers and e-commerce platforms, including eBay and Shopify, providing flexibility in product sourcing. While AutoDS excels in automation, it may not offer the same level of in-depth product research and competitor analysis as Dropship.io. So, who are these platforms for? Dropship.io is best suited for dropshippers who are data-driven and want to make informed decisions based on market analysis and competitor strategies. If you're looking to gain a competitive edge by understanding the market deeply and choosing products based on data, Dropship.io provides the tools you need. It's especially useful for those who want to invest time in analyzing trends and optimizing their product offerings. AutoDS, on the other hand, is ideal for dropshippers who prioritize automation and efficiency. If you're looking to scale your business by automating repetitive tasks like product imports, pricing updates, and order fulfillment, AutoDS is a powerful tool that can save you significant time and effort. It's perfect for those who want to focus on growing their business without getting bogged down in the day-to-day operations. In terms of pricing, Dropship.io generally comes at a higher cost due to its advanced features, but it offers significant value for those who need detailed insights and analytics. AutoDS, while also an investment, provides value through the time-saving automation it offers, making it a great option for those who want to streamline their operations. Final verdict. If you're looking for a platform that offers deep insights into market trends and competitor analysis to help you make data-driven decisions, Dropship.io is the better choice. However, if you're focused on automating your dropshipping business to save time and increase efficiency, AutoDS is likely the better option. That's the comparison. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore each platform further and determine which one aligns best with your dropshipping strategy.